How to fix TikTok login problem with Facebook. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to guide you how we can fix that issue of you not being able to log in using your Facebook. So, if you're trying to log in using your Facebook and your TikTok is not allowing you or it is showing some error, you can follow up this method. First thing is you can try continue with Facebook, this option right here, and give access, because maybe if you haven't give access through your Facebook, it won't allow you. Otherwise, if you don't have an account, you can go ahead and sign up instead, as you may not have created an account while and you are trying to directly log in using a Facebook. So go to sign up instead and continue with Facebook. Even if that doesn't work, what you can do is go ahead and clear off the cache of that particular app. For that, head over to the settings of that and go to storage and go ahead and tap on this clear cache. Once that is done, you should try reopening the TikTok after some minutes and try logging in with your Facebook again. Otherwise, maybe you haven't updated your app, so head over to Play Store and look for updates if any kind of update is available for TikTok. And if there is any, you can just go ahead and update your app and again try logging in. Otherwise, sometimes the TikTok's server also may be down, so look for the server status, and once the server opens up, you can just try logging in and you should be easily logged in with your Facebook account. So that is how you log in with your Facebook account into TikTok. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.